Uh-oh. We're at the bowling alley and we're about to do some bowling, me and my two sons. So we're gonna see if someone can oh, Sugar-Doo, he got a strike. Oh, so I think it's my turn now. Y'all do me when I or do you get another shot? I don't know how it works.
No, I think you go.
It's me, right? Yeah. Y'all ready?
Yeah. Ooh.
Yeah. Y'all saw that, right? I did a gutter ball. I'm not good at this thing, but I'm trying. All right, let's see what I do on the second one.
Oh yeah, there you go. There you go.
Well, that was better. I got 3. Don't laugh at me.
Oh, that's a strike. Hey. Oh, wow. That was close. That was close.
Good.
Man, this guy gets spared. Spare time.
It's right in the middle.
Oh yeah, it's spared.
It's going over here.
Wait.
Oh, that close. Yeah, I turned off the camera and my son went down the gutter just like me. So now he said he has to make it up. Oh, he got 2 now. He just got what I got earlier. Okay? And then my other son.
Oh, we all do the same thing.
Oh, Sugar-Doo. But I'm on the other side, y'all on this side. Oh!
Okay, I got you. Oh.
Player number 1.
I don't see like nothing going on with her. Oh, watch my. That was it.
42.